Hello guys, my name is Treckerston and we're going to do a short nature walk. A very short one. Okay, we won't have very much time because I'm using a phone, Caden, so let's do a little nature walk around kind of thing. I love nature so much, man. I know that anybody, like I said, anybody can be a YouTuber. We're done with that. We did that yesterday, actually. And I love YouTube. It's my thing. So that, like, all my videos. And I plan on having up to about 1,000 videos. I'm getting there.
And you're really good at it.
I am pretty good at it. It's probably going to be about like a minute long. A minute because then it'll be done already. But like maybe a minute and like 30 seconds. Okay, ready? Okay.
We're about to show them the pond.
Nature. There's been a lot of snakes out here. Well, putting that video here.
Ooh.
Snapping turtle.